Hello everyone, this is Group A. For this video, we will have a musician app prototype demo presentation for our engineering design project. First of all, let's talk about our project objectives. We are creating a website application that allows musicians to organize their music. They are allowed to maintain annotations on notes and keep track of gigs. Also, musicians can collaborate with each other while practicing music from their band team. So far, we have some tasks accomplished. For example, we have completed logo design and all research on front-end, back-end, and database. We have created the landing page, home page, and the library page. Moreover, we have created database and implemented basic server software and routing. Currently, we already have our sound page and search functionality. In the user library page, our application has been allowed users to upload their PDF file documents.
Among the challenges we have remaining include the retrieval and interpretation of data from a web API, which will give us a large database of songs to work with. This information will be used to populate the details associated with the song that the user chooses. We also need to implement a way in which the user can collaborate with other users on a setlist by inviting them. To create these setlists, the user needs to add songs from their Songs or My Songs library, and the user should be able to do this for any existing setlist. Various data such as last release for her song and general library breakdowns need to be displayed to users in a visually fitting manner. This data still needs to be interpreted and obtained from the database. Among the changes that we have needed to make include the original plan to allow users to upload multiple files for one song. This has been modified to allow users to upload only one file, as this meets the needs of the users and allows for the database to be optimized for other areas of focus. Per the implementation plan, we started by developing a majority of the actual application and its front end prior to building the database. Although the database was always considered, implementing queries in conjunction with development would allow for better understanding of database needs and more fluid development.
My name is Santiago, and I will be doing the show and tell for our application. Now, keep in mind a lot of the things you see is still being worked on, and most of the data is hard-coded in the back. Now, the first thing you see when you log in is gonna be your home. Home is gonna contain analytics about your music, the music you're rehearsing, or the music that you have in your library. So, how many songs you have, uh, how do you break down your library, your general overview, important information that will help you keep track of your progress as you rehearse. Search is going to contain all of the songs submitted by other users and songs that you can submit yourself. So, one of our goals was to allow people to add songs to this database and to not always have to manually input the information. That's why we're gonna implement a an API from maybe from Spotify most likely to allow for autocomplete information on the songs. Uh, but more on that information, we can go to uh, my songs. Songs and search are also the same. We're currently moving this tab to this one. I will be deleting songs. My songs is gonna be your personal library, and you can see more details on the songs. Search will have only the title and the artist. This will have uh, details that you wanna add to the song. So if we go to song details, it can show you more. Like let's say you have a different version of the video that you wanna add, you can add it here. Let's say the song is in a specific key, or you want to change the song to a key that works for you if you're a singer, etc. You can set it right here. Lyrics, and of course a PDF file of the music sheet if you have it. This was added recently, and you can, it only accepts PDFs, and it will change right here. It's just a sample. Lastly is the set list. Set list contains songs that you will be able to share with others. Right here, we can see collaborators, and we can see some options for the set list. And if you drag and drop, you can see that the songs uh, you cannot change the order of the songs, and this data is actually reflected at the bottom. That's just a test. This is all just for testing, but you can see that the data is reflected at the bottom. And that's pretty much our application. Thank you so much for watching our video.